very good morning to all present here. I am Palani Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Civil Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of design of welded connection in steel structure. Right? So a tie member consists of rope truss 2 ISA 90 by 60 by 10 mm. The angles are connected on either side of 12 mm cassette plate. This is a cassette plate. The angles are connected on both sides. Then the member is subjected to a pull of 400 kN design the welded connection. First of all, we find the factor load. The member is subjected to a pull of 400 kN. It changes into the factor load, the value of 600 kN. Next, to find the size of weld. In size of weld, there are three conditions is taken from the IS 800. The first condition is minimum size of the weld is 300 mm, so 3 mm. In this value is taken from IS 800 up to the thickness of 10 mm. The minimum size of the weld is 3 mm. Right? Next, the maximum size of the weld, the thickness of thinner plate minus 1.5. In the thickness of thinner plate, the value is taken from the angle. The value is 10 mm. So 10 minus 1.5 is equal to 8.5 mm. The third condition, maximum size of weld angle 3 by 4 into thickness of angle. In the 3 by 4 into thickness of angle is taken from the angle 10 mm. The value is 7.5 mm. In these three conditions, the value is taken from minimum and the maximum. The value is taken as in between value. So 3 mm, the maximum value is 8.5 mm. So I have to take the value of 7 mm. Right? Next, step 3, effective throat thickness. In this effective throat thickness is taken from IS 800. The value is 0.7 into T. In this T is the design strength of weld 7 mm. So 0.7 into 7, 4.9 mm. Next, strength of weld per mm length. In the strength of weld, taken from IS 800 in the class of 10.5.7.1.1, the FWD is equal to FWN divided by gamma MW. In this FWN is taken from Fu by root 3 divided by 1.25. The Fu value is ultimate tensile strength 410 divided by root 3 divided by 1.25. The value is 189 Newton per mm square. Next, the strength of weld is equal to effective throat thickness into FWD. We already find the effective throat thickness and FWD. The value is 926 kN. Next, we have to find the length of the weld. Before that, the load will be transmitted by each angle. This is the cassette plate. The angle is on either side. The load is transferred on this side and also this side. So the load is transmitted by each angle. So 600 by 2, we get the value of 300 kN. So we equate design strength and factor load. In the design strength 926 kN and the factor load value is 300 into 10 power 3. We get the length of weld. Next, we have to find L1 and L2. That means length 1 and length 2. In the CG, center of gravity of ISA 90 60 10 lies at 30.4 mm from the top. In this 30.4 mm value is taken from the SP6. That means the steel table. So the top value is 30.4. In the length of weld is equal to the L1 plus L2. So we already find LW 323 mm. So 323 is equal to L1 plus L2. So we equate the L1 and L2. The 30.4 is taken from the steel table. Remaining 59.6 is the 90 length. So 90 minus 30.4 is 59.6. We get the value of L1. So L1 is equal to 1.96 L. So next we find the value of L2 109 mm. In the L2 value substituted from the L1 1.96 L2, we get the final value of L1. This is the diagram shown in the welded connection. This is the angle L section on each side, each gazetted plate connected on each side of the angles, and the L1 value is 214 and the L2 value is 104. Thank you.